Hi, let's go over your assignment, the Technology Choice Board assignment. So this is a little different because I'm trying to give you guys a bunch of options here and let you guide your learning. So for the Technology Choice Board is on the next page of this assignment, and you're going to read through the assignment options in these boxes and then you're going to complete one of these options. So when you look here, there's box 1, box 2, box 3, and box 4. And each side of each box are 4 additional boxes that have several different prompts. And I want you to note the different colors that are here. So option 1, you just need to complete one blue box. So this could be creating a technology or a pro-technology poster. It could be make a list of 7 types of technology that you use. It could be invent a robot. There's several different blue boxes to choose from. If you choose to do a blue box option, you just need to do that one option. But do not be fooled. If you choose to do this one box, I'm expecting thorough, detailed work, and I will grade this accordingly. So if I see, like, for example, a poster that looks like it took you about 5 minutes to make, you're going to get a grade that would equate 5 minutes worth of work. Okay, I'm looking for high level reflection with these different options. Option 2, you can do one yellow box and one pink box. So there's less work from that's entailed with the yellow and pink options, and each one of these options asks you to do something a little different. One has more of a list option or a creative option, such as like a coupon book or writing a recipe or creating a chart, whereas the pink options ask you to write paragraphs. So the big thing here is that you cannot pick a yellow and pink option from the same box number. So for example, if you're in box 1, you can't choose this option here where you have in 1 to 2 paragraphs, share your observations, blah, 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 and then write a recipe because they both come from box 1. You could, however, complete the pink prompt from box 1 and then the yellow prompt from box 2. Okay, so remember, you can't work within the same box for both options. You need to pick one from one box and then move to the other box, okay? There's a lot of choice here. If you have any questions, let me know. You should be completing this work on a separate document. You should not be completing your work in this document because you're going to be creative in one way or another. If you have more questions, let me know. Other than that, I look forward to seeing your responses. Thank you so much.